Power outages, camping trips, outdoor adventures, we all need reliable backup power. But with so many options flooding the market, how do you choose? Today, we're counting down the top 5 portable power stations that deliver serious performance without breaking the bank. Number 5. Starting at number 5, we have a 237 watt-hour portable power station that proves affordable doesn't mean compromising on quality. This compact unit features dual AC outlets delivering 110 volts, making it perfect for charging laptops, running small appliances, or keeping your essential devices powered during emergencies. What sets it apart? Fast charging capabilities with USB-C power delivery and Quick Charge 3.0 technology. Your smartphone charges in a fraction of the time compared to standard chargers. The built-in LED emergency light is incredibly invaluable for nighttime camping trips or power outages. It supports 60-watt solar panel charging, allowing you to keep it topped up completely off-grid. Whether you're camping in the wilderness or preparing for emergency situations at home, this affordable power station delivers reliable performance where it matters most. For those ready to grab this excellent backup power solution, check the description and comments for the link. Number 4. At number 4, we have a versatile power station offering multiple configurations to match your needs. This system ranges from 150 to 350 watts output, with capacities from 88.8 to 240 watt-hours. What makes it special? Included solar panel options. Choose from 21 watt, 30 watt, or 40 watt panels right out of the box. You get a complete solar charging solution without hunting for compatible panels separately. The AC outlet provides 110-volt power for household devices, while multiple DC and USB ports charge phones, tablets, cameras, and electronics simultaneously. The compact design doesn't sacrifice power, runs small fans, charge laptops, or power medical devices during emergencies. It's excellent for those wanting solar capability without premium pricing. To explore different configurations available, check the description and comments for the link. Number 3. Number 3 brings serious power capacity. A 200-watt portable station with an impressive 40,800 milliamp-hour battery. That's enough to charge a smartphone over 10 times or run a small refrigerator for hours. This powerhouse supports both 60-watt and 100-watt solar panels for faster recharge times off the grid. The 110-volt AC outlet handles laptops to small power tools, while dual DC ports work perfectly with automotive accessories. 3 USB ports charge multiple devices simultaneously without adapters. What impressed us most? This unit balances high capacity with relatively compact dimensions, portable for weekend camping yet powerful enough for serious home backup. Multiple charging options mean you're never stuck, whether using wall power, your car's 12-volt system, or solar panels. For outdoor enthusiasts and emergency preppers, this is a solid investment. Check the description and comments for the link. Number 2, our runner-up delivers 300 watts of pure power in a surprisingly compact lithium-ion package. With 296 watt-hours capacity, this generator handles charging laptops, running small appliances, and powering lights during extended outages. What sets it apart? An intelligent thermal management system. Built-in cooling vents and internal fan prevent overheating during prolonged high-power usage, extending battery lifespan significantly. Multiple USB outputs include standard and quick charge ports for optimal device charging speeds. The built-in LED flashlight with multiple brightness modes is incredibly useful for camping or emergencies. Despite packing serious power, the compact design stores easily in your car, RV, or emergency kit. Pure sine wave output ensures safety for sensitive electronics like computers and medical devices. For a premium portable power solution that doesn't compromise performance or portability, check the description and comments for the link. Number 1. Taking the top spot. The most impressive portable power station we've tested. This 350-watt beast comes complete with a 40-watt solar panel right in the box. This is the ultimate package for anyone serious about portable power. The 240-watt-hour battery strikes the perfect balance between runtime and portability, providing power for multiple device charges or running small appliances for hours. What pushes this to number 1? Comprehensive output options. Multiple AC outlets for household devices, DC ports for automotive accessories, USB-A ports for standard charging, and modern USB-C power delivery for fastest charging speeds. The included solar panel means true energy independence during camping, emergencies, or off-grid living. Pure sine wave output ensures compatibility with all sensitive electronics. Build quality is exceptional with premium materials, and the intuitive display shows battery level, power, and estimated runtime. Check the description and comments for the link. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos, share them on social media, and leave your comments below. See you in the next video.